Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add another account to Proton Mail. To add another account to Proton Mail, these are the steps that you need to take. First, open your browser and go to Proton Mail login page. Enter a username and password and then click login to access your Proton Mail inbox. In the top right corner, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Alright, that's your account name or profile picture. Click on that. In the drop down menu, you're going to see a couple of options here: free, upgrade your name, review your account safety, switch or add account, settings, sign up. Go ahead and click on switch or add account. Now, if you want to add another Proton Mail account, either a new one or an existing one, you'll be provided with this option. So click on add Proton account. Now, enter the email address here and the password. So I have to sign in to continue. So this is it. Now you can click on keep me signing and click on sign in. So this is for like to verify for security reasons. Okay, and then the next step will now allow you to add the email address and the password for the additional Proton Mail account you want to add. So this is already taking me back to my original Proton account. So I'm just going to click on switch or add account again, and that takes me into that box. So add Proton account. So in here is where you have to enter your email and your password of the additional Proton Mail account, or the new Proton account that you want to add. And once you're done, click on sign in. So once the account is added, you can easily switch between multiple. I don't have any other ones, so I'm just going to sign into my original. So you can easily switch between multiple Proton Mail accounts from the same menu. So click on the profile icon again and then select switch or add account. Choose the account you want to switch to and you'll be taken directly to that account. Now, this method allows you to add another Proton Mail account for easy switching between them. You can add as many Proton Mail accounts as needed. Of course, if you want to link a third-party email account such as email or Yahoo to Proton Mail currently does not support direct integration of third-party accounts into Proton Mail. However, you can set up email forwarding or import messages from external accounts via the import via easy switch option, which is found in the settings menu. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelous